Okay, I will start by greeting everyone, all right? And then we are doing corrections for the class test that I gave you the other day. So we had we had 6 diagrams next. And then the first diagram, there was a little bit of mistake there. They said in the sketch below, prove with reasons that triangle FGH is congruent to triangle GHI. But then we did not have the H, they did not label the diagram like that. I get. So I'm gonna ask Chweni to help us with the first one. Prove congruency. Prove that the two triangles are congruent.
Two triangles.
The first, yeah. This first two. You can't see the board.
A, B.
OMG, this is now ruining a video for other learners, those who are not attending with us. So can you be helpful, please? Training, you all won. Okay. May you please put it back?
Oh, triangle. Memory.
Yes.
Problem every time when a person abolela over background on the full screen.
Okay, so I should always be the one speaking then.
Hey, so everybody, I can mute or rosta kwa sound jagaga ruko yelda fela. Utaki unmute gas when it's abolele.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Okay, did everybody hear that?
Yes.
Did you guys hear that?
Yes.
Okay, so for the sake of time and finishing, can we all mute ourselves? And then I don't know how is this gonna work. If we mute ourselves and then we allow Chweni to be the one talking. Yeah, giving us an answer. Yeah?
Triangle.
Okay. Is it okay?
A triangle A, line AD is equals to
line AD. Can't you say like side AD or line AD? What is your reason, Chweni?
side AD is equal to side A, common side.
Yeah, but beside being a common side, Chweni, how can you say what is this line? When now we label it. It is a hypotenuse, right? Okay, but then I will write common side. But as long as it's about this hypotenuse, it will help you with reasoning. Okay? Those ones with the video, they won't see.
Angle.
I think, Chen, you must look at the question on your phone. I don't know if you can do that. The diagram.
Oh, I
Ma'am,
should
give
take
me a second
angle
to
B
mine.
is equals to angle B is equals to angle C.
Angle B
The reason is equals to angle C.
reason is
The reason is given right angles.
reason is
Given right angle.
given.
Given right angle.
Okay, so is it fine if I can say angle B is equals to angle C? They all equals to angle 90 because they all equals to angle 90.
Mm.
Okay, and then I say what? Right angle,
Yes.
or I say given.
Okay.
What do I say?
Given right angle. I wrote given right angle.
Oh, you wrote given right angle. Okay. Now I'm going to write right angle, or I can just write given. I think if you wrote equals, they both equals 90 degrees, or you wrote it is a right angle, or you wrote it is given, you are right because all those reasons are correct. Okay, another one.
Then BD is equals to AC.
BD is equals to AC. Why?
Given.
It is given. Okay, and therefore conclude.
Then therefore ABD.
Triangle
ABD
ABD.
is
Okay,
is congruent to triangle ACD.
is congruent to triangle ACD. And your reason will be
Reason RHS.
my reason will be RHS. Okay, sharp. Before we can go any further, train, I want us to look at the order of the letters that you wrote. Again, you said AD,
Mm.
and then Rafita Rabani B. So it means the order, it should have been triangle ADB. Does that make sense to you?
Mohammed, I'm using the triangle in my phone, not the one you wrote there.
No, not my thing is the way that you have said it. Again, you said AD, and then you came Wablela, and then you spoke about B. So the order that you must write then, it should be triangle ADB. It is congruent to ADC. Do you get my point?
Oh,
Yes.
eh.
So yeah. So I will say triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC.
C.
Yeah, let's see. AD and AD are equal. B and C are equal. BD and AC are equal. Okay, that's correct. Is everybody with us? Are we understanding?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. So let us do the second one. Before we can do the second one, guys, are we all understanding?
Yes.
Moteo, can you do the second one, please? question says you are given the figure below. You are given the figure there. Show giving reasons that triangle ABE is similar to triangle DCE. Mateo?
AB.
AB. Brian Senyati, we did not forget about you. We see you and we acknowledge you. Thank you for coming. Yeah, Mateo, I'm listening.
AB.
AB.
Is equals to DC.
Is equals to DC. Your reason being?
Give A.
How is it? Why are you saying they are equal? Mateo Boy. You see this thing's name. They don't mean that sides are equal. It means that the sides are parallel. And parallel sides does not mean parallel sides are not equal. They're just parallel, and then angles are formed when there is a transversal line. Do you see that BC and AD, they cut between the parallel lines? Yeah, this line and this line, they cut between the parallel lines. So meaning that those angles that I refer them as fan are formed. Do you remember them? Yes. So when you see parallel lines, you must look for fan on the diagram. So can we try that again and look for fan?
A.
All right, let's try.
A is equals to D.
Good boy. A is equals to D. Angle A is equals to angle D. What is your reason?
Alternate angles.
Alternating angles. Good boy. Alternating angles of parallel lines. Remember, of parallel lines AB and DC. Next. AB parallel to CD. Okay. Next one.
B is equals to C.
B is equals
Angle
to
B is
C.
equals to angle C.
Good boy. B is equals to C. What is your reason?
Alternate angles.
Alternate angles.
Alternate angles. Parallel lines.
Alternate angles. Parallel lines. AB. You must mention those parallel lines, right? You must mention them. You must write AB is parallel to CD. Okay? And the next angle?
E1 is equals to E2.
Well, Nana, good. E1 is equals to E2. Your reason?
Common.
How is it common? Okay, sharp. But then you can give me a good reason better than common. Do you remember that when lines are crossed, like form an X, we have angles on a straight line and we've got
vertical opposite. Vertical opposite.
Good. Vertically opposite angles. Well done. And therefore, conclude.
Triangle ABE.
Good. Triangle ABE
is similar to triangle DCE.
Is similar to triangle DCE. What is your reason?
Angle.
Yes, angle. Guys, I've seen that particularly in 9D, I've seen people using angles to prove similarity, but then when they come to the end, they write SSA or S. That is wrong. The reasons that you are writing here, it is determined by what you have said there. So Mateo basically spoke about angles, all 3 angles, and then that's why we are writing angle, angle, angle. Well done, Mateo. Thank you so much. Can I give it to Masukame? 9B. Yes, girl, talk to me. Talk to me. Let's do this one.
3x.
3x. Okay. Let us first read the question for those who are not here. They're saying that we are given the diagram there, and they are saying to us that determine the value of x. Determine with reasons without using a protractor the sizes of the unknown angles. I know they spoke about x here, but then we have got quite a few unknown angles, so you are going to give us at least one of them, and then some will give us the rest, okay?
3x
3x
plus x
3x plus x
is equals to 180 degrees.
Masukame. What?
In bracket, angles on a straight line.
Masukame, no. Nane, look at me. Do you see this? Do you see 3x and y?
Yes.
These angles, they qualify to be angles on a straight line because they are like exactly on a straight line together next to each other. When I add them, they will give me 180. But then you cannot take an angle here that far from this angle. 3x is very far from the x there, and you say they are angles on a straight line. What about the y? You know? Do you understand me, Masukame?
Oh.
Yeah. People who just joined us, may you please mute your sound?
Was our love song, and I told you to be with me until we grow old. Would you wait?
Who just joined us?
Could you stay?
Really, guys?
I'm sorry. Oh, when you left at the start, I know
Can somebody tell the person who's making noise to stop it already? How can you join us to play music? We are doing math.
could be right. If I learned how to love you, would you show me how to love you?
Dikuba.
Because I
Okay, let's go back. Masukame, can you come back? Can everybody mute and then I speak to Masukame?
Ma'am, Abigail.
Abigail, sorry Abigail.
Oh my god.
Abigail, can I see you?
Yes.
Brian Sinyati Warasa.
Ma'am.
Abigail, talk to me. We don't have time, guys. Time is running out. Masukame, let's quickly finish. Did you get my point that you cannot
I
say
didn't hold.
you don't see? Do you not see?
Yeah, now I see.
Okay, sharp. So what you
I
said
see.
cannot work, okay? Because we cannot consider angles so far from each other to be on the straight line. I understand that you see them like all on the straight line, but remember, angles on a straight line, they should always add up to 180 degrees. But then when you add this 3x and that far x, there's no way that they can give you 180 degrees. And remember, the 3x is outside. It is outside the triangle. Do you remember the exterior angles?
Yes, I do.
Yes. What is the principle of the exterior angles? Or what do we do when we have exterior angles? Can you try to remember that?
Let me see.
Dima. What are you waiting?
Ma'am,
Yes, Abigail.
I don't understand this.
Oh, okay. No, it's fine. Let us do it together. Okay? We always work with the information that we have, right? And looking at this diagram, we have got, first of all, we have got a triangle and a triangle.
Ma'am, I
That
can see you. Yeah.
Mara Abigail, I cannot
Now I
stand here. I can't stand here because like I'm writing over there.
Now I see.
Do you see even the diagram?
Yes.
Okay, sure. But because I'm going to write that side, you might not see me when I write, okay?
Okay, I will listen.
Okay, please listen. So, first of all, check if you don't see the diagram clearly. Check on